Hello and welcome to the NMS Prime channel. I'm Robin and I'm going to show you how to import and export whole configuration trees today. Head over to the demo system, the link is in the description of this video, and log in as customer or use Kunde if you're a German user. I'm going to show this one as an English user. After logging in, you will see our new dashboard system. The global dashboard has become a timeline of all events that happened, and every menu point on the left has now its own dashboard. For example, provisioning looks like this, and then we click on config files. So for this video, I'm going to show how to export the Ares Telnet activation. It would actually be possible to export the whole CM base tree. So we click on the Ares Telnet activation, and on the edit page is a new button in the bottom right corner, which is called Export. So we click that, and the browser will show us a little save menu for saving that file. And I'm going to show you now how this Ares Telnet activation file looks like. So it looks like this. Wait a second, yes. And there we have the database fields for ID, the name, which is Ares Telnet activation, and also the text, which are the contents of this configuration file. And we also have the child elements exported in this, the TG862 and the TM822S. Going to show this one in the tree again. So there it is, Ares Telnet activation and the two child elements. So now we're gonna re-import this one by clicking on Create Config Files. And at the bottom of this page is a new field called Import. Here we select the Ares Telnet activation file, which we have exported. And we also choose if it's CM or MTA. We just click on Save. So after saving, it tells us that these files have been created, and we jump right into the edit page of the first element in the config file. In this case, it's Ares Telnet activation. So here we can see that at the bottom of the config file tree, there is the Ares Telnet activation with the 2, and also the child elements with the 2. This has happened because these files, or these names, already existed, and the system detected it and chose the 2 at the end for the name. Moving these files is also easy. We just click on the Ares Telnet activation, we go to the edit page and tell them that the parent config file is CM base, and then we just click on save, and now it should be located right under CM base. I'm going to prove this one too. So here we have CM base. This was the file we exported, and here's the file we imported. And that's it for this video. It was a rather short one, but I just wanted to show you guys our new import and export feature, which is really helpful if you set up NMS Prime on your own server and you need the config files. You can now just head over to our demo system, export them, go to your system and import them. Also, if you don't want to install NMS Prime, we have a new feature located at nmsprime.com. On our front page, you will now find a button called Create Your Own Instance now, and then you scroll down to our form for creating a virtual instance of NMS Prime. Just enter your email and the password for the zip file, and you will get your login credentials in the next 1 to 2 minutes. How about trying that one? If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. Also subscribe to our newsletter, head over to our documentation. The links are all in the description of this video. And thank you for watching. you.